Chef Barlow here with another video coming all the way from sunny Miami. Well, not too sunny, but it could be. It's raining all week, dreary weather. We can't even get into the pool, do nothing. But what we can do is cook. And what I have is some swim around, some red snapper, and we're gonna make some steamers. We have okra, pumpkin, yellow yam, the whole works. So give me 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Boom, bam, bing, bam. Oh. Thank you for checking out the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Boom, bam, bing.
Chef Barlow is the champion cook in your town. Outside of skills, he's just fun to be around. Dependable and mobile, quick to reach your door. You lick your fingers and
Okay, guys, so we have our swimmers, swim around, whatever you want to call it. This is red snapper. These have been cleaned already, scaled. So pretty much we're just gonna season these up and get them to steam. All right. So thing I like to do is cut some lines in these. Very simple. That way the seasoning gets all in it. Okay. So easy going. 1, 2, 3. When I do the triple stuff snapper, you guys have seen the video for that. I would cut it here and then I stuff it with like callaloo and all kind of stuff. You know, whatever we have, kale, can't use anything. But I don't have that today. So with this, I just want to make these slits. And that way I can really get the seasoning in there. All right. So that's that. Now, what we have here is some fish seasoning. As you can see, it's just a basic fish seasoning. You guys can use whichever one your favorite. This is just mine, Chef Barlow, but use whichever one you feel comfortable with. Old Bay, whatever it is. If I was frying this, it would just be salt and pepper, fish seasoning on the inside. But because we're doing a steamers, I want the seasoning all over the swim around them. All right. So let's get this done. So what I'm gonna do, just flip it open so that and get the insides really well. All right. And again, you want it to get all in there. Normally, if I had Scotch bonnet, which I don't, you believe that? No Scotch bonnet today. But we would put Scotch bonnet in here so it gets that really nice flavor. And not the seeds, you just want the flavor of the pepper. All right. And well season up these snappers because we're gonna steam these. And you know, add a little water and the water will tone down the seasoning a little bit. So now remember, the rule of seasoning anything is you can always add, but it's very difficult to take away. Meaning, don't over season the thing. All right, you can add seasoning later on or even salt if you need it. So as you can see, put this over here. These are well seasoned up. And as I told you, that has everything in there ready, black pepper, seasoning, salt, everything. All right, so just give me a second and I'll be right back. Down to the final lap. So I add a light coat of oil to a heated pot because I don't want the snapper to stick when I put it in there. So this is a thing that I personally do. You don't really have to do it, but it just works out for me. So I add some carrots and the onions, and then now, as you see, I'm gonna add the snapper. So once we put the snapper down, the pot's a little heated so it won't stick. And of course, you know, we're not gonna waste that good up seasoning. So we're gonna just put that in there for just go and help it go through. Now add all of your provisions, the corn, the banana, yam, you know, the chocho, anything like that. You're gonna add all of that now. The reason is that all of these things cook together, they cook the same time. So it's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes for these things to cook. So we add a little bit more water and then we're just gonna finish up and cover this and give it about 15 minutes. That's about 15 minutes. So now we're going to add the okra, and I found some broccoli, so I might as well put that in there too. And then the sliced pumpkin. Top it off with some butter. Forget the last little step. And that's it, 5 minutes and we're done. I added water crackers because I can't eat steamed fish without water crackers. And then individually I put them in pans so everybody don't have to complain and fight for what they want to eat. And we're good to go. That's it. It's the best steamers right now, especially with the rain. Whoa, I can't wait to eat this. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and leave a comment. One love.